guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do an everyday makeup routine for Indian skin. As you can see, I'm putting a Maybelline primer to fill in all my pores, and I've already used a moisturizer before applying the primer. I'm going to evenly apply Maybelline Fit Me foundation all over my skin. It's soothing to watch, isn't it? I hope you guys are trying out something new this quarantine and living your best lives. I know it's difficult now in this situation, but try to stay positive and try to do the best you can to live the best you can. I'm using the Fit Me concealer to conceal my under eyes. My effort to make sure that it's a perfect triangle. Just keep dabbing, just keep dabbing. I'm going to cover any unwanted spots with concealer. I'm just making sure that I have an even base all over. And I'm making sure that my makeup doesn't look patchy. So I'm pressing all the product in. I don't want any smile lines. I'm using the Colossal Kajal eyeliner to line my eyes. Eyeliner is the most difficult part, and it doesn't look very pretty on screen either. That's why most people do their eyeliner off screen and they come back doing the rest of their makeup. As you can see, I'm lining only the corners of my eye. I'm not lining my whole eye with dark pencil, otherwise I might just look like a raccoon, and that's not the look I'm going for. I'm using the shade Brownie in the Urban Muse Primark eyeshadow palette to shade the corners of my eyes. As you all know, I do not carry my makeup brushes with me, so I have to use my fingers. Please excuse me. This was my first attempt at trying a cut crease. Please let me know how it is. I have to darken the kajal over the concealer. I'm now going to use the shade Biscuit into the inner corners of my eye. I'm going to use this beautiful, lovely shimmer called Sun-Kissed in the Urban Muse Primark palette. It's so amazing and lovely to apply on. I'm using an amazing product by Essence. It's a wonderful mascara. You have to try it. This is seriously a get ready with me video because I was actually getting ready and putting all this makeup for a dance video that I put up on my Instagram channel. If you want to check it out, the link is in the bio, and please follow me. I would really appreciate it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. Don't forget that. I'm warning you. I'm just kidding. Subscribe if you liked what I have to offer, and I will make more videos to make everybody happy. You already know that I got this beautiful pink and gold eyelash color from Miniso, since you've already watched my Miniso video. But if you haven't watched my Miniso video, then go and check it out now. It's on my channel. Got this beautiful pink blush by Maybelline from my mother. It's so beautiful. It's such a pretty color. It's an absolutely new, beautiful pink blush palette. However, the blush wasn't blending quite as well as I would have liked it to. I felt that the blush was a bit too bright in person, but on camera it looked great. And if it's good on camera, it's great by me. Tapping the excess product made a huge difference. The other cheek looked much better. I'm applying the remaining product on the blush brush to the rest of my face, including my chin, my forehead, and reapplying it to my cheeks. I'm using a wet beauty blender to pick up some loose powder and apply it to my jawline. This loose powder is by Maybelline. It's in their Fit Me range. I was trying to do some baking, but I forgot and I pressed all the product in. This is the moment I realized just that. That's my upset face trying to rub off all the excess powder. I'm gonna use some loose powder under my under eyes as well. And this time I didn't pat it in completely. I'm gonna use some for my forehead as well. This time I'm using the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice Liquid Lipstick. I'm dusting off all the excess loose powder from my under eyes. And from my forehead. I'm now going to contour with the Maybelline V-Faced Duo Contour Stick. I'm going to blend all the lines with my sponge. I'm using this absolutely beautiful gloss by Clinique. It is so beautiful. It's one of my favorites. It gives this beautiful golden glow to your lips. You can even use it without lipstick. It looks absolutely fabulous. You have to try it. Now I'm using a liquid liner pencil to create a wing.